In this video, I will show you how to use Canva frames to crop images into shapes. So click on elements and just search here frames. Now click on see all. Here you will see different type of frame. Select it. Now insert your picture. So upload your picture and drag and drop like this. You can adjust the size for picture which will appear. So drag and drop like this. Here is the list of frames you can use and you can crop. You can set multiple pictures in a single frame. So thanks for watching guys, and in this way you can crop your picture in different style of frames. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.